Hemp oil is fabricated from the plant called hemp. In other words, it is a hemp extract taken from the seeds of the plant. While this type of oil can be extracted from all plants in the cannabis genus, industrial hemp is the only plant used for hemp oil. This type of hemp is specifically produced industrially and the amount of psychoactive substances that are contained in it is minimal. Hemp oil is great for cooking and full of nutrients. It can provide a crispy and nutty taste to foods and can be a wonderful replacement for olive oil in salads. It is a great natural moisturizer that can be used after a shower. Hemp oil can be the base for different forms of plastic, instead of petroleum. It can be used as biodiesel fuel, like other vegetable oils. It is used in the production of paints that are more eco-friendly than petroleum-based paints. Hemp oil is used for making lotions, soaps and even some foods. So that is all about hemp oil and its usage. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.